Hey, what's up with you guys? This is Irfan here from smartincubator.com and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you the results of Gold Incubator first of all, and also the breakdown of my trade, which was a very small profit because today is Friday and also we had NFP. So I didn't want to trade at all and I kind of didn't, but I just wanted to get my FDMO challenge to 5%. So and I can show you right now. Okay, so I know it's kind of messy. The reason is that I was testing an EA on my account and it was really good in the beginning. I'm still not passed, so these are the results. I still have 2 weeks left and I hit 5%. It's a 20,000 pound account, and it was really annoying because I made 20,999 and it wouldn't reach like 21,000. So it was really annoying, guys, yesterday. I just wanted to get it to 5% before the market closed, and I did it with a very small profit with Bitcoin, which was, I think, I don't know how much, $2, $1.75 right here, which was a really small amount that I just wanted to take it, get it to 5%. And so right now we're sitting at 1,000 pound profit, and I have 2 weeks left. So I want to break down the trade that happened on EURUSD, guys, which is going to be really interesting. Because first of all, the market was super choppy today. The reason is that we had NFP, and this one has nothing to do with Gold Incubator. I want to show you the results of Gold Incubator separately, but let's get into the breakdown video first. Okay, so right now today the time is 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So this is exactly an hour after I wake up and check out the market. And then I noticed that, because we have so much consolidation here and the trend is kind of bearish, because if you zoom out, you notice that we have a bearish trend. We have lower lows and lower highs, and then exactly here we have a high probability supply zone. And the reason is that this is the last bullish candle, and after that the price dropped significantly, and then the next candle never tapped into this zone. So you gotta draw your rectangle exactly, you gotta draw it the way that covers the entire candle, and then you have your zone. And then after a huge drop or a huge spike towards upside or downside, you gotta wait for the next candle that forms after that. And if this candle never taps into this zone and there's a gap between this zone and this candle here, it means that this is a high probability supply zone, sorry. And the only thing you need to do is just to wait for the price to tap into this level, and then you can take your sell position. And if I want to move forward, you see that it literally tapped into this level, and a lot of people, including me, take our position right here, and we put our stop loss here and our TP right here, which is a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio trade. But the problem here is that when you put your stop loss above or below the candle, there's a very high chance that the price kind of gets close to your profit, and then boom, it goes all the way to here, but it never breaks above this zone, and then it comes down to hit your TP. It happens all the time, but there's so many people that are profitable in this way. They put their stop loss below or above the candle, not below or above the zone, which in this case we need to put our stop loss here and our TP right here. But I want to show you both scenarios. Let's say that I put my stop loss below this candle right here, and I want to take my 1-to-1 trade right here. So this is gonna be my 1-to-1 trade. Let me show you. So this is 94. Okay, so this is a 1-to-1 trade, and this is what happens, guys. See, this candle literally stopped me out, and then after that, boom, it tapped my TP. This is what I'm talking about. You don't want to get stopped out and re-enter it. There's nothing wrong with that. But if you put your stop loss here, you still had a chance to wait for the price to come down to this level. Let me just show you. And then you can take your 1-to-1 trade. So let's see how far this one goes. See? It literally tapped into my TP because I put my stop loss above the zone. I never got stopped out. This zone is still valid. We still have the momentum. We still have bearish engulfing candle. I have my trade here, my entry here, and then I have my take profit exactly right here. But because this area freak out, make a lot of people freaked out. The reason is that we have our support level here with so much liquidity underneath. So people think that if they take their position here, they need to exit somewhere around here because this is the lowest point. It grabs the liquidity, and after that it reverse. And well, that's not a bad idea. But there's a high chance that you always get stopped out here. Not always. I personally sometimes put my stop loss above or below the candle, not the zone necessarily, because sometimes the zone is so big and I don't want my stop loss to be super wide. But in this case, we could just leave a runner, and then in the worst case you just move your stop loss to break even after the candle move towards your TP, and it kind of gets close to that, like 70% close to your TP. Then you can move your stop loss to break even. There's nothing wrong with it. So, you know, sometimes you just don't win and don't lose, you protect your money. So this is the first thing that happened on EURUSD, which was really interesting, guys. And in this scenario, because there is no high probability order block and we have a breakout structure below this level here, I can use my Fibonacci level. Okay, if I want to use my Fibonacci level, it's gonna be from here where the move started all the way to the end where the correction started. So from here, and then it dropped few breakout structures, and this is where the correction started, and we have our golden zone from here all the way to here. See, this is our golden zone, and then if I remove this, we are left with our golden zone, and this is it. In this case, you need to be careful because I probably can take my sell position here and put my stop loss here, but since this is support and resistance level, this is not high probability demand zone, I'll probably get a stopped out. But let's see. No, I didn't get a stopped out. It was a profitable trade, and if I want to put my trade here, it would be a almost 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio trade, only using Fibonacci levels, support and resistance, kind of, because, you know, there is no high probability demand zone or supply zone around this area. So I took my sell position here since it was a really good candle, and then the price just, you know, dropped significantly. I took my 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio trade, and then after that it went up. Stop everybody at if you wanted to leave a runner. So this is for EURUSD, guys, but let me show you what happened on Bitcoin that I took this trade. It was really annoying. I just wanted to get to 21,000 and then close the week with profit like 5%. I didn't want to be around that. I wanted to be 5%, and it actually happened. So when I wanted to take this trade, look at this, guys. Look how beautiful it got respected, guys. It was really cool. I came to the chart and the price was literally here. It was a beautiful one because we had a very strong bullish momentum here, and then we had some sort of consolidation and a breakout structure. The most important one is this breakout structure. See, this breakout structure that happened, and then below that, because since we have so much space, we have so many gaps here, I was pretty sure that the price wants to do some sort of correction to fill in all these gaps that are left over here. See all these gaps here, because we had a huge bullish momentum here. So the price is most likely trying to come down. But before that, you need to have some sort of pattern to make sure the price is trying to change its direction. But since we have this high probability order block here, see, from here all the way to here, you need to take the last 2 candles and then a huge drop. This candle never tapped into the zone, so that's why there's a gap in between, and this gap makes this zone a high probability supply zone. And then I waited for a price, and then I noticed that we have this candle here, but it never closed below the previous candle. So I was waiting, I was still waiting, and then I took my trade here, exactly right here, when where this candle got broken, and then I put my stop loss above the candle, not above the zone, above the candle, because I really didn't want to trade this. I just wanted to make my 5% and be out of the market. I didn't care, you know, what's going to happen after that, or it's going to do a reversal or anything like that. No, I got out of the market exactly right here. It was less than a 1-to-1 trade, and then as you can see, it literally hit my TP, and then I was done. So this is the high probability order block that we have here, because this is the last red candle or a bearish candle here, and then literally after that we had a bullish engulfing candle. The next candle after that never tapped into this zone, so that's why there is a gap between the zone and the candle right here. So that's what makes this zone a high probability demand zone. And then we had a beautiful rejection towards upside. If you wanted to, because it's kind of according to the trend, it's uptrend, you could take your position here, put your stop loss here, and your TP somewhere around here if you wanted to. And as you can see, this is exactly what happened, and it tapped into my TP. So it was a beautiful, it could be a beautiful 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio trade, and it could be done for the day. So that's it, guys. Before you go, let me show you the results of Golden Incubator. Today's April 1st. We closed March with over 49.70% profit, which is absolutely mind-blowing, guys. As you can see, the last day that it took a trade was in April 1st, 49% on a brand new account. It's real, and this is my VPS account, and these are all the trades that were taken during London session in the past 24 hours, and in total we are up $496, and the account is live. As you can see, it's not a demo account, and these are all the trades that it actually took since the beginning of the March, or March 7th, I would say, all the way to April 1st. So if you want to see similar results, guys, if you don't want to trade manually, if you don't want to analyze the market, and you just want to do everything completely hands-free, go check out smartincubator.com and grab your license, send us your account number, and it will manually activate your account. You can use Gold Incubator for 7 days for free to see, you know, how much profit you can make. Try it on a demo account if you want, and then if you're happy with the results, go ahead and sign up with a real one. So thanks for watching this video, guys. If you have any question, drop your comment here, and I'll see you in the next one.